Hey everyone, if you're trying to install Logseq and keep getting installation failed errors, the installer won't launch, or the setup process stops before completion, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Logseq installation problems in 2026. First, make sure your device meets the minimum system requirements for running Logseq. Unsupported operating systems or outdated hardware can sometimes prevent the installation from completing successfully. If you're installing on Windows, try running the installer as an administrator. Elevated permissions can help resolve issues related to file access and system configuration. For macOS users, verify that Logseq has been granted permission to run if the operating system displays a security warning during installation. Another helpful step is closing unnecessary applications before running the installer. Background programs can sometimes interfere with installation processes. Make sure your operating system is fully updated. Missing system updates can occasionally create compatibility issues with newer software versions. And that's how to fix Logseq installation failed errors in 2026. In most cases, downloading a fresh installer, checking permissions, updating your system, and disabling conflicting security software will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.